Are you aware of the foods that can trigger your arthritis? Today, we delve into this topic. What we eat can significantly impact our arthritis symptoms. Certain foods have been identified to potentially increase inflammation, intensifying arthritis pain. Understanding these trigger foods and how they affect your body is a crucial step in managing your arthritis effectively. So, what are these inflammatory foods? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 6 inflammatory foods that could be worsening your arthritis. First on our list is sugar. Yes, those sweet treats could be your enemy. Recent research shows that consuming too much sugar can lead to inflammation in the body, which can worsen arthritis symptoms. Foods high in sugar, like pastries, candy, and soda, can trigger the release of cytokines, proteins that can cause inflammation. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy a sweet treat now and then, but moderation is key. So, it might be time to rethink that extra spoonful of sugar in your coffee. Next up, we have saturated fats. Often found in animal products like meat and dairy, and some plant-based sources like coconut oil, these fats can trigger inflammation, making arthritis symptoms more severe. Foods high in saturated fats include cheese, red meat, and fried foods. Even certain baked goods can be a hidden source of these fats. It's not about completely eliminating these foods, but rather about moderation. Cutting down on saturated fats could be a game changer for your arthritis. Third on our list is the infamous trans fats. These are artificial fats, created in an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils to make them more solid. They are known to trigger systemic inflammation, making them particularly harmful for individuals with arthritis. Foods often high in trans fats include margarine, fried foods, and baked goods like cookies and donuts. So, next time you reach for that glazed delight, think twice. Avoiding trans fats might just be the key to managing your arthritis better. Finally, we have refined carbohydrates, MSG, and alcohol. Refined carbohydrates are found in foods like white bread and pastries. These carbs lose their nutrients during processing, and are stripped of their fiber, leaving behind simple sugars that the body absorbs quickly. This rapid absorption can lead to spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, causing inflammation that can worsen arthritis symptoms. Next, let's talk about MSG, or monosodium glutamate. This flavor enhancer is common in processed foods and many types of Asian cuisine. Research suggests that MSG can trigger 2 important pathways of chronic inflammation and affect liver health. So if you're dining out, it might be wise to ask about MSG in your food. And then, we have alcohol. While moderate drinking may not have a direct effect on arthritis, heavy drinking can lead to a host of problems. Alcohol can increase inflammation, weaken your immune system, and potentially interact with medication, making your arthritis symptoms more severe. Now for the healthier alternatives. Whole grains like brown rice and oatmeal are excellent substitutes for refined carbs. They're packed with fiber and can help control blood sugar levels. Opt for fresh, unprocessed foods to avoid MSG. And as for alcohol, moderation is key. A glass of red wine, for instance, is not only acceptable but might even have anti-inflammatory benefits. Remember, what you eat can significantly impact your arthritis. In summary, your diet plays a crucial role in managing arthritis. We've discussed the 6 major culprits: sugar, saturated fats, trans fats, refined carbohydrates, MSG, and alcohol. These inflammatory foods can trigger and intensify arthritis symptoms. By reducing or eliminating them from your diet, you can help to alleviate discomfort and improve your well-being. By being mindful of these inflammatory foods, you can take a significant step towards better managing your arthritis. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands.